What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Shar Ayaria here, your Bay Area realtor, and I hope that you're doing wonderful. Today we're going to tour this absolutely gorgeous estate in one of the most sought after locations in Silicon Valley in Los Gatos, California. This is a completely custom built brand new home built in 2023, built by the Reveal Group, a world-class builder and developer. This stunning estate is located on 1.57 private acres that's completely gated, manicured, and illuminated at night. It's truly one of the most modern estates in the Silicon Valley. This exceptional and brand new construction has 5 luxurious suites and 7 full designer bathrooms. It also features an extraordinary 69 by 19 foot lap pool and a 10-person spa and a 30-foot LaCatina door. There is a separate guest house that has 2 bedroom suites with designer bathrooms. There's a beautiful kitchen with top stainless steel appliances and a large living room, and it also has 1 car garage. There is wide plank, white oak hardwood flooring throughout the house. There's a floating staircase with LED lighting, beautiful gourmet kitchen that includes Taj Mahal quartzite countertops, Mila appliances, and a built-in Mila coffee system. Dining room includes a designer chandelier. There is a temperature-controlled wine cellar and a large butler pantry. There's also an elevator that provides easy access to all 3 floors, and the house is in Saratoga School District. This excellent floor plan has phenomenal and unparalleled architectural design that features that alfresco indoor-outdoor living. This luxurious modern estate has over 3,000 square feet of view decks to relax, entertain, and to enjoy the Californian sunshine. Primary suite has 2 full walk-in closets, spa-like bathroom that includes heated flooring, LED lighting, wall-hung Toto toilet, freestanding soaking tub, towel warmer, and a private balcony overlooking the pool. Lower level has a great room with the stunning wet bar opening to the pool area, a home theater, and a home office. It is wired for audio and smartphone technology, and on the outside we've got terraced gardens, lush lawn, and extensive outdoor lighting. Walk-in closets in all bedrooms. Restrooms include designer tile and plumbing fixtures, quartz counters, and LED lighting. Acrylic smooth coat exterior stucco, new Techwood European siding, and driveway pavers with inserted linear runway lights. And again, what's so special about this beautiful modern estate is that it's all concrete, steel, and glass throughout the house. It's truly a one-of-a-kind estate. That is it for the details of the house. If you guys want to see it in person, definitely reach out to me and I will be more than happy to schedule a private showing for you guys. All of my contact information is going to be in the description box down below. Reach out to me if you have any questions. Other than that, enjoy the rest of the video and don't forget to watch it till the end so you can see that beautiful 2-bedroom guest house with the full-blown kitchen. It is absolutely stunning. All right, guys, have a beautiful day. And until next time, I will see you guys soon. Bye-bye.